guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing an unboxing, and that is my Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys want to see what's in my box, keep on watching. Alright, so this month's box is about the Rock and Roll So 2018. I am very excited for this box because we get not one, but two palettes, an eye palette and a face and cheek palette. We also get some primer. We also get some lipstick, and we also get a brow pencil. Let's get in this box. The first item I see, it's the Dr. Brand Pores No More Luminizing Primer. This primer, I've heard really good things about it. So it's supposed to be like luminous on the skin. It retails for $38. I have not tried this before. Actually feels really good on the skin. So I'm looking forward on testing out this primer to see how well it veils my skin for foundation. Next product up is from IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This is a universal taupe shade, which I'm very excited for because the last time we got an eye pencil, it was way too dark for me, but this one is the universal taupe, which is perfect because I use taupe shades on my eyebrows so I can match these looks, as y'all can see. Next up, it's the Glam Metals palette by Crown. It's so pretty. Look at it, pretty. And what the? Dude! It came broken. No freaking lie. Look at this. It's broken. Boxy, what is you doing? What is you doing? I was excited for this palette. Now I'm like, whatever. I'm gonna put it away now. And if y'all wanted to know how much that retails for, it's $25. Next palette in this box, it's the Pure the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This one I've already swatched because I couldn't wait for me to swatch. And look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. And look at it. Look at these swatches. They are amazing. They're so creamy. They're so pigmented. Can't wait to start using this on my face. So we can test this out. And last but not least, it is a lip product that I've been wanting to use for a while. And it's actually already on my lips. It is the Girlactic Liquid Lipstick. And as soon as I got the box, I knew it was gonna be in there, and I opened it, and it just smells so good. It smells like Publix cake, and it applies so good on the lips, so comfortable. It's not drying, it's just so velvety and nice on the lips. So that retails for $23. All in all, this box was a win. Most of the time, I have to give away stuff. But I don't think I'll be giving away anything. Probably be returning that broken palette to Boxy though, so I can get a replacement. Watching you, Boxy. Okay guys, and that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys like watching these unboxing videos, please let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Please, y'all need to subscribe. Thank you. Until next month for another Boxycharm unboxing. Bye-bye.